Hello everyone and welcome to this Wix website builder tutorial. This is a full walkthrough and we'll be providing step-by-step instructions on how you can create your website using the Wix website builder. At the end, you will be able to do this yourself with ease. So now we're currently on Wix.com and at the top right corner, you have the option to log in or get started. If you're doing this for the first time, you will need to click on Get Started. But if you have your Wix account already, you can click on Log In. And right here, you will need to put in your email and click Continue with Email. Go ahead and put your password and click on Log In. And now we've been taken to this page where we're going to be clicking on Create New Site. Then on this page, you'll have two options. You can start chat. Also, you have the option to set up without chat. We're going to click Set up without chat. So right here you have examples, or you can search for your business or site type right here. We will be choosing technology company, and among the options to narrow things down, we could choose company guide landing page. We're going to click on continue, and currently it's preparing our dashboard. Now on this pop-up, you have setting up your store. So it says give your store a name. It's actually the website, so we're going to give it a name. So we have MegTech Bridge, and we're going to click on continue. So then it asks the question, do you already have an online store? You can say yes or no, but we're just going to be clicking no, I'm just starting out. Of course, you could skip this, but we're going to click on this and then click on continue. Then you're going to select the type of product you will be selling. This will help Wix to know what services to add to your website that best suits your needs. We'll be clicking on services and digital products. Click on continue, and here you get to choose if it's an online store, a mobile app, marketplace and social media, or in person. So we have an online store, create a website with a complete checkout experience. Click on continue, and here it says you're all set. Continue to dashboard, and here you get to connect a custom domain. So here it says make this recommended domain yours or search for an available one. So you can see megtechbridgeconnect.com. Now the name of the website is MegTech Bridge, but you can see connect here as a suggestion, perhaps MegTech Bridge is taken. If you want to continue, you can click on let's go to connect a custom domain or purchase one. The next thing you will need to do is to set up your payment methods, add your first product, set up shipping and delivery, design your website, and get found on Google. So to set up payments, you get to click on set up payments. So because we're trying to set up our payments, you get accept payments, and then you can see your business location. Now, in order to change your business location, click on the drop down and it will provide all the countries available. You could either scroll down or scroll up for your country or search by country. We have the United States, and depending on the country, it will be showing you what is applicable in your locality. Then here you have not connected because we haven't connected any option, but we have some options suggested. You have credit or debit cards with Wix, and you can click on connect. You also have PayPal and manual payments. After setting up your payment, you're going to go over to your first product. This will mean adding your product by clicking on the button there. And here you have some suggested products, and you can add your new product if you want by clicking on the new product right here. It could be a physical product or a digital file. Now here are pre-generated samples of products which you can add for your website. So you can go ahead and click on one of the products. And when you click on it, you could change the name of this product. So we just change it to an electric powered vase, and you can see the picture here. You could add more pictures if you want, or you could also add videos. When you scroll down, you can add more details to this product, such as the name, the ribbon, the description, and additional information that is vital to your product. You could also put in the price, the custom text, and everything that makes a product look attractive on your website. Under inventory and shipping, you can actually use this to track your product to know when it's running out of stock by clicking on the track inventory. When that is done, you can click on save, and you can see electric powered vase was saved. And you can see the name has been changed. And then all of this looks great right now. It says here we haven't added a payment method, but you need to make sure that you've added that. Going back to the setup page, you can see add your first product has been ticked off. And then you have the setup shipping and delivery, where you get to set up your shipping and delivery preferences. Next is the design website option. We're going to click on design site, and here it says how would you like to design your site. You can generate a design with AI or a customized template. We're going to choose pick a template, And right here, you have different templates for your website. Here we have product landing page, and this looks nice. We're just simply going to hover over it and click on edit. So currently it's adding finishing touches, adding forms and payments to our website, and in a few moments, it will be ready to view. And so on this page, you have this pop-up, enhance your AI content. You can see the type of site, a product landing page. The name of the site is MechTechBridge. Now, in order to generate a site text, which is important for Google SEO, you're going to write in some details about your site. So right here, we're going to add some text details about our site. And here it says, we provide the best quality product for your tech solutions. Now we're going to click on generate site text, and it's doing just that. And you can see right here, get the best quality text solutions. And you can also see MechTechBridge XE. And here you can see some labels to the buttons right here. You can add elements, add sections, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and content management system or CMS. You could also have a view of your site in the desktop view, or you can switch to mobile. Now this is how it looks in the mobile version, and if it's fine by you, you can go back to your desktop version to have a fuller view. Now what you need to do to design your website is to simply hover over the area and make some edits. Once you hover over any area such as this, you will see quick edit option here, or on the right side, you can see the quick edit button right there also. You can move sections up and down around the website. You're going to click on the quick edit, and here you can see the paragraph, get the best quality tech solutions. That's exactly what you will be seeing right here, and the title, MechTechBridge XE. So if you don't want the XE, you can simply click on it to delete it. Great. So now it's fine and just how we want it. And here you can see the paragraph, the ultimate tech solution that empowers you every step of the way. And then you have the button Shop Now. The link to this button can be changed by clicking on link, and you can connect it to other pages on your website. It says here, what would you like to link it to? And by default, it's under page, which page, the product page, but you could choose other options. The product page is just fine. And under which item, you can see I am a product. Now, these are the different names of the product which you might have selected. As you can see, electric powered vase is one of the products which we changed the name to add to our website. But these other ones can be edited and changed later on. Click on done. And then if you want to change anything here, you can click on this area after hovering over the header. And here you can see paragraph TrackMate. Now we need to change TrackMate to the name of our website so it matches, because at the top here, it looks like a different website name. Now we can see that MechTechBridge is not looking really great. And to have more design options, you can go to text settings. We've just clicked on it. And here you can see that we can make some edits to our text. We're going to stretch it a little bit, and now it looks better. You can still hover over it and click on quick edit, and now it looks better. You can make this bigger or smaller as you wish. And now we have more editing options. There is the buy now option. You can change it to shop now if that's what you want, but you also have shop now option here. You can leave this different if that's what you prefer. Now, after you've made some edits on this website, you can click on preview. And now we can see our website just as it looks. MechTechBridge, and as you scroll down, you can see more details about your website. Take note that if you want to change any other thing here, you just simply need to hover over this area, click on it, and have the quick edit option displayed for you to make some changes. Now we're going to click and go back to editor. And as you can see at the top here, it says mechtechbridge.com is available, and you can choose to connect it to your domain. There are other tools which you can have on your website to make it look great and make it look better. But if this is good for you, you can go ahead and click on publish. There are tools we could click on it, and you can see rulers. And here this displays the ruler if you'd like to make sure that everything is aligned. The grid lines are clicked on and clicked off with ease. And you also have snap to object. We like this because it helps you snap objects together when they're close enough. After all is done, we're going to click on publish. And now we have the web link to our website. If you click on view site, it will open a new tab where you can have a better preview of your site as if you're visiting it as a visitor. You can go ahead and share the link to this website to others for them to have a visit to your website. So at this point, we've been able to show you how to use the Wix website builder and a step-by-step guide on how to have a successful website built using Wix. We hope you can go ahead and make yours according to your preference. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.